Hello everyone, I warmly welcome to JKL Math. Now I am going to explain coordinate geometry, exercise 7.1 third problem. First of all, read the question. Verify whether the points 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, 1 are the collinear or not. Here we should know the what is the collinear. Collinear points. If you have 3 or more points, for example points A, B, and C, and you can draw one straight line through all of them, then these points are called collinear. If you can't draw, those points are called non-collinear points. Now I think you understand what is collinear points. Now write given data. Here AB plus BC is equal to AC, then only these are collinear points. This length plus this length is equal to AC length. Now write distance formula. Distance formula is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we will find the distance of AB. x2 minus x1, x2 here 2, x1 1 whole square plus y2 3 minus y1 5 whole square, x2 2 minus y1 1 whole square plus y2 3, here y1 is 5 whole square, square root 2 minus 1 1 square plus 3 minus 5 minus 2 whole square, here minus 2 whole square is minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 2 is 4. So if the power is even, then our answer is positive. So here 1 square means 1, here minus 2 square 4, 1 plus 4, square root 1 plus 4 5. Distance of AB is equal to root 5. Now we will find the distance BC. Here B is equal to 3 x1, y1, C minus 2, minus 1, this one x2, y2. Now find the BC distance. Here B x2 is minus 2 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus here y2 is minus 1 minus y1 is 3 whole square is equal to minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 whole square. Here minus 4 whole square means I already explained now, if the power is positive even, then our answer is positive. So 4 square 16, here also 4 square minus 4 square means 16. 16 plus 16 root 32. Square root 32 we can write as 16 into 2. Here 16 means 4 square into 2. Here square, this root cancels. So 4 remaining is square root 2. Now we will find AC distance. Here A is equal to 1, 5, this one x1, y1. C is equal to minus 2, minus 1, this one x2, y2. Now we will find AC distance. Here x2 minus 2, here minus x1 1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 y1 minus 5 whole square. Here minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 square plus minus 1 minus 6 minus 5 minus 6 square. Here power is even now, so our answer also positive. 3 square 9, 6 square 36, 9 plus 36 root 45, square root 45. AC distance is square. Here the sum of no two segments is equal to third segment. So here AB plus BC not equal to AC. So the given points are not collinear points. Please subscribe my channel. Share this video with your classmates. Thank you for watching.